Replacing all values in a Pandas column, with no conditions. I have a Pandas data frame with a column full of values I want to replace with another, non-conditionally. For the purpose of this question, let's assume I don't know how long this column is and I don't want to iterate over its values. Using .replace is not appropriate since I don't know which values are in that column. I want to replace all values, non-conditionally. Using df.lock, row selection, column selection, is not appropriate since there is no row selection logic. I want all the rows and simply writing true, as in data.lock true, column name, equals new underscore value, returns key error true. I tried data.lock1, column name, equals new underscore value and it works but it really looks like a shitty solution. If I know len of data column name, I could create an array of that size, filled with as many time of my new underscore value and simply replace the column with that array. 10 lines of code to do something simpler than something that requires 1 line of code, doing so conditionally, this is also not okay. How can I tell Pandas in 1 line, all the values in column name are now new underscore value? I refuse to believe there's no way to tell Pandas not to bother me with conditions.
As I explained in the comment, you don't need to create an array. Let's say you have df. And you want to change all values in Invoicino to 1234. Output.
The output is
Wziął wam z to sejmowe, prasę, co on się da subscribing.